Welcome viewers to the episode number 71. It is a long due and repeatedly requested episode. Today I will display only dress materials on silk and tussar and only dupattas with kantha stitch. Before starting the display, I want to pay my wholehearted regards and gratitude to my motherland and our constitution on the eve of our 73rd Republic Day. Next Wednesday, we all should celebrate the day with great zeal, pride and grandeur. Now enjoy the display. I am starting with silk dress materials. At first four I think, 2 pieces only, which are only 2.5 meter kurta and dupatta. There is no bottom with this. I have shown you these things many times. This is for the back, and one border has given to decorate your dress material, dress as you want. You may keep there also. You can use that for the neckline, etc. And this is the dupatta. Very colorful, very nice print. I am loving it, and next time I will make one sari with this definitely, because I know people will ask for it. 3650. All the silk prints are fabulous this time. This is for the back, and that border again for the decoration of the kurta, and this is the dupatta. Beautiful print and color combination. On black everything looks gorgeous. The price will be same, 3650. Pure silk, all are pure silk. Now one break, those two are very colorful. Here it is black and white and black. This is the back, the kettle design. On the sari also I had shown you many times. It is very nice print. I like it very much, and you too. This is the look, kurta and dupatta. These all are same material. Kurta means kurta and dupatta all are of same material, and if you want, you can make 2 kurtas also separately, or together with both you can make a long dress also. This is a back, and again the border. Very simple but very colorful, very nice. I know the colors are so nice, vibrant color each one. Price is same, 3650. Now it is silk full set. Full set means bottom also there, but as usual bottoms are not with silk, those are cotton silk, and kurta is of 3 meters here. So this is the kurta, long kurta. The buta is there. The stuff for the sleeve. This is the for the sleeve. That 2 borders are there for the sleeves, and this border for the kurta, and this is the dupatta, and this will be the, I am showing it wrongly. Just a minute, let me do it again. Yeah, this is the kurta. This is dupatta. It should be here. Yeah, like this it is. Yeah. The price is 4550. 3 pieces. The sets are 4550. Very good quality of silk and 3 meters. Again, for the sleeves, that portion has given for the sleeves, so with border, and here it is for the kurta, and this is the dupatta, and this will be the bottom. Price is, where it has gone, 4650 it is. Just a minute, got it. Sorry, 4550. 4550. Red kurta, 1 butta for the back, for the sleeves, the portion, and for the kurta, the border. This is the dupatta, and this is the bottom, whole set. Price is same, 4550. Kurtas all are of 3 meters, so no problem with the sleeve. Everybody can make full sleeve one. The butta for the back, sorry, the butta for the back and the sleeve portion, front, the dupatta and the bottom. Price is same, 4550. Now it is hand painted. It is hand painted one. This is for the back, the sleeves, the front border, the birds, the very colorful birds, yeah, and this is the bottom. $4750. The hand painted one are $4750. The same dupatta, same painting, but two separate sets with different colors of the kurta. This is for the sleeves, the butta for the back, and the front border, this is the whole look of the set. price is same 4750. The trees, the famous trees of Samaroho, this is for the kurta, the front, the back also has the border for the sleeves. For this there is no buta for the back because it will not look nice, I thought, that is why. And this is the dupatta and this is the bottom. Vibrant color combination, hope you will love it. Price is same 4750. Another with trees, color is different, the arrangement for the dupatta is different. This is the border, for the sleeve also it has border. Yeah. And this is the full set. Silk is over. Now it is turn of tussar. All tussars are the dupatta is with the zari border for the four side, and kurta is 3 meter, bottom cotton tussar. This is the kurta, fully kalamkari print. Both side has the border for the sleeve and the kurta both. This is the dupatta and this is the bottom. The quality of the bottom is like this. I have many of my clients has told that they had made it another kurta out of it, because these are very common colors. So don't worry about the quality of the bottom. These are not silk, but not any substandard thing. This buta is for the back and the sleeves, the front border. It is also kalamkari print, just oppositely it has been arranged. There the kurta was fully with print, here the dupatta is with full print, and this is the bottom. I hope it is very nice combination. Acha, I had not told you the price. That was the previous one also was 5950. It is also 5950. Here also this is the buta for the back, the sleeves, the front border, very traditional look, the temples, evergreen thing, and this is the dupatta and bottom. Price is same 5950. With blocks all are 5950. Hand paint will be little more. This is again for the back, the sleeves, beautifully done it is, and this is the front, The color is beautiful, shade of brown, beautiful shade of brown, and this is the dupatta and bottom. $5950. It is grey, nice butta for the back, border for the sleeves, front border, the tussar original color is so nice. Any color looks so beautiful on with it, and this is the full view. 5950. Little break with red and black. It is mushroom, butta for the back and sleeves, front border, and this is the dupatta, and this will be the bottom. Same priced, 5950. Another with grey. Here the motif is elephant, that is why I have kept it elephant grey or something like that. It is elephant grey, should be little darker. It is grey only. This is the butta for the back, the sleeves, the front. Tussars are very good quality, but you should put lining for each one. This is the dupatta and the kurta. That gives the longevity for the dress. This is my favorite design. This is for the back, the bindi, the sleeves, the front border, this is the dupatta and the bottom, full set. $5950. The butta for the back, the border for the sleeves, front border, this is the dupatta and this is for the bottom, colorful one. 5950. It is hand paint one, hand paint and block together. This is for the back. You have seen this motifs many times on sarees. This is for the sleeves. This is the front one, front border. Beautiful color combination. I love it. The shade of green and the shade of the blue, it's very unique. Hope you are liking it. It is 6150. These all motifs are very much familiar to you because all were used many times in the sarees. Now it is the dress material, on dress material. This is a butta for the back and borders for the sleeves, the front border. The shade is beautiful. Actually, maroon has been applied on yellow, so absolutely different shade it is. Unique it is, absolutely unique. This is a dupatta and the bottom. Price is same, 6150. It is absolutely newly I have done this hand paint. This butta for the back and the sleeves, the front. I love the dupatta very much. Hope you will also. Very simple, absolutely hand painted. This one. Very simple but stand out. Unique, one piece. 6150. Now that bird which I had shown you before on the silk, that is one piece on the tussar also. The butta for the back, the sleeve borders, front border, and this is the dupatta and bottom. 6150. The last one, I loved it very much. This is for the back, the lotus for the sleeves, for the front, and this is the dupatta and the bottom. Beautiful one, 6150. Now I have told you few pieces with dupatta, and all dupattas are on tussar with kantha stitch, 2.5 meter. The width is 35-36 inches. The fully worked it is, and the price is 3550. Yeah. All overs, all are 3550. It is with maroon work. Price is same, all are on tussar. $3550. Worley design. All over work. On any dress you can wear it. It is multicolored, so very beautiful one. All the colors are here. 3550. Now it is with lesser work, lesser range, 2750. The quality is same, but the work is lesser. Many people don't like all over, it is for them. 2750. It is same concept with black. $2750. All are 2.5 meter and width will be of 35-36 inches. Now it is very colorful one. It is 3250. I am just opening one piece because it is very beautiful. Just see. $3250 it is. It is the reverse kantha, 4-sided work. It has the same concept. Color combinations are different and the motifs are obviously. $3250. The last one, same, nice combination. Each combination is nice. Hope the viewers who had to wait such a long time for this episode are happy and satisfied with the displayed products. I am very happy with the products as all are nice and really unique. Please don't delay to reciprocate. Namaskar.